Imizi yabangcwabi iphansi koxinzelelo emntla-ntshona ukuzothi kangu kweli phondo linabantu aba-863 abathe basweleka ngenxa ye-COVID-19 ze kwasuleleka abantu abangaphi kwe-54,000.
We used to bury 3 to 4 to conduct 3 to 4 burials a day. But now things have changed whereby we find ourselves in a very bad situation and difficult situation where we have to bury almost every day.
Abasemagunyeni kwicandelo lezempilo kweli phondo bathi baxhalabile.
We are definitely worried of the increasing number of deaths. And what we are seeing now, it confirms what we suspected, that during the festive season, there was this interaction of families that then transferred the virus even to those who are more vulnerable.
Ogqirha bacebisa uluntu kuba luvavanyele le ntsholongwane.
One of the challenges that we are having is the fear from our local community, our patients, to test for COVID. It's important to remember that the sooner you test, the sooner we can treat. But the later you present, the more difficult it becomes for us to help patients.
Kusenjalo basemagunyeni kwezempilo baphinde bagxininisa ngokubaluleka kokulandelwa kwemiqathango ye-COVID-19.